Hello everyone, myself Navjot. Today I'm going to start my presentation on the topic of the importance of ITSM in the selected company HP. Firstly, we have to understand the ITSM. What is the ITSM? ITSM is the IT service management, which includes strategic method of plan, deliver, manage, and improve the use of information technology within an enterprise. ITSM model include all the activities. Firstly, it include three main activities like service strategy, reports and dashboards, continuous service improvements. The overall activities of the ITSM is the incident management, change management, service service portfolio management, project management, service asset management, and the knowledge management as well as service catalog. Uh, this slide is about our selected company HP. HP is a Hewlett Packard company. It's the world's second biggest technology firm. The Hewlett Packard company is an American multinational information technology company, and its headquarters situated in Palo Alto, California. This company provides wide range of hardware and software components related to the consumers as well as small and medium range businesses. It produces computer framework and more than 10 assortments of equipments. William R. Hewlett and David Packard established this company in 1939. HP items line integrated with computer gadgets, networking items, storage gadgets, ventures, industry standard services, printers, scanners, plotters, and other electronic items. This company developed handheld calculators, laser printer, primary commercially disperse information, preparing a framework, and explicitly parallel instruction computing engineering as well. Now this slide is about the relationship between HP and ITSM. Well, ITSM has a good relation with any company because because it present the it presents and hold the all activities of any organization. And in the case of HP, as a leader in IT management and especially IT service management, HP brings tremendous breadth and depth of management expertise to every service engagement. HP offers a full range of ITSM assessment services that as focused on helping you identify service management gaps and create workable action plans with the goal of aligning IT priorities and investment to business needs, identifying areas of risk that could result in service level commitments not being met, providing stability in the face of constant business and technology change, decreasing IT operating cost, improving the quality of IT service delivered, delivering more reliable business supports, enhancing customer satisfaction, achieving greater flexibility, establishing a clearer understanding of IT capabilities to drive business growth. In this way, ITSM helps HP system stimulations. So now the next slide will be discussed by my friend Satnam. Thank you.
My name is Satnam Kaur and I'm going to continue the same topic. Firstly, I will talk about HP ITSM reference model. It is very versatile model and it is a high level and fully integrated relationship map for IT processes. The companies want to be more indispensable and they are proving indispensable. So they strive to understand problems with people, process and technology, and this reference model is considering the possible solutions for the issues within an IT organizations. Next one is this is the ITSM reference model. It has the five components. First one is the service delivery assurance. Second one is business IT alignment. Third one is service design and management. And the next one is service development and deployment. And the last one is service operations. Now I will continue with the sub processes of the HP ITSM reference model. The first one is service delivery. It includes service level management, like change management and the configuration management, because all the groups revolve around its and it is a central core. HP has put it at its center because it act as a center for the model. Like service level management provides entire company and its clients with valuable service knowledge, and the change management is provides consistency to the IT environment. So other processes in this model cannot work effectively without the service delivery assurance step. So this is a core process in the ITSM reference model. Second one is business alignment. So it offers excellent business value, and it includes many processes, sub processes, customer management, service planning, and preparation of IT strategy and design. Next one is service design and management. It provides a comprehensive and service details that are needed to design a new services in the IT organization. So it manages availability of services, and also it balances the quality and of service in the organization. Next one is service development and deployment. It enables IT organization according to the requirements which needs for the service design. So it enables according to the requirements, and it also tests the services and related infrastructure, such as tools and application development. Because in every organization they need to submit a project, so before the project made, all the testing is done in this process. Next one and the last is the service operations. These processes include issue management, any issue related to the with the clients or the customers. This process deals with the services with the customers, so that they can satisfy their customer and handling the customer service demands. So next topic will be continued by my group member. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Padam Bahadur Kandangwa, and today I'm going to talk about the HP ITSM reference model. A high-level, fully integrated IT process relationship map is the HP ITSM reference model. The model offers a consistent representation of IT process and a shared language as a reference tool. It can be used by businesses to identify challenges with employees, systems, and technologies. Ultimately, its goal is to ensure that the demands put upon them can be addressed by today's IT organization. It relates its IT facilities and technologies for management to IT process. In order to turn itself into a true service provider, the IT department must cultivate and maintain these characteristics. It needs to be able to control the expenses, quality, and risks of IT services while maintaining business agility. These are the benefits of HP ITSM. It runs its IT as a company capable of managing the expenses, qualities, and risks while ensuring its business agility. It relates its facilities, equipments, and technology for management to IT process. It it prioritizes work efforts. Uh, it view its present and ideal states and establish a possible differences between an action. This is the roadmap of ITSM. It starts an organizational realignment. It identifies of areas for the implementation of process enabling technologies. It identifies opportunities for insourcing and outsourcing as well. It manages the IT operation lifecycle. These are the challenges. Information are not transmitted among the staff. The warnings which are auto-generated are not registered. Confusion between an event and calls for service. It is addictive to repeated assignments, and it is not keeping clients updated, and understanding between the employees are lacking behind. Resolutions to untimely events. And this much for today. Thank you guys.